Premiere Pro and Photoshop in the same video. Because the starting point is the same, shortcuts and menus, the universal tools that work on any app. With these two, you cover most commands. And for Photoshop, there's one particular trick you need to know. Its menus are navigated by number. But the Adobe apps also have a far more powerful door, a scripting channel for Photoshop and a dedicated panel for Premiere, and we devote a whole run of videos to that, right after this one. Step by step. Today, the basics. The first tool you already know from the other apps, the shortcut action. There's one for Premiere and one for Photoshop. Pick the command from the list, and Magic Automa brings the app to the front and presses the combination for you. If you've customized your shortcuts in Adobe, whatever the app sees is what counts. The combination that works by hand works here too. For 80% of the buttons you'll want to build, this action is all you need. Second tool, the menu bar. Plenty of Premiere commands have no shortcut, but they all have a menu entry. The menu bar action reaches it by path. Write the labels exactly as you see them, separated by the greater than sign, sequence, then render into out. It works at any depth, and you can ignore the trailing dots. When you press the button, Magic Automa opens the menus and clicks the entry, just like your hand would. And now, the Photoshop trick. On Windows, Photoshop draws its menus in its own peculiar way. The entry names can't be read from the outside, so you navigate by position. The first piece of the path is the menu name, image, and from there on, you count. Image size is the sixth entry. The path is image greater than 6. Separators, the gray lines, don't count. It works in submenus too. Menu by name, then number, then number. It looks Spartan, but it's reliable. You count once, and the button works forever, or at least until Adobe reorders the menu. One thing needs saying. Premiere's and Photoshop's interfaces can't be read element by element. The pic you'll see in video 37 doesn't bite here. But that's not a limit. It's the reason Magic Automa walks in through the front door. Photoshop has a complete scripting interface. Resize, crop, export, change texts and layers, all with ready-made actions or your own scripts. And Premiere has a Magic Automa panel that talks to it directly. Imports, sequences, markers, exports. That's a whole other level of automation, and we devote 4 videos to it, 69 through 72. In the meantime, you already have the basics that work everywhere. Shortcuts and menus, by name in Premiere, by number in Photoshop, plus click set coordinates for the edge cases. Next video, we switch operating systems. Final Cut Pro on Mac OS.